Welcome to Fairy Tales English Journey. Today we will travel back to ancient times. We will explore a world filled with brave heroes and powerful magic. Have you ever heard of a magical golden fleece that could bring great power to anyone who owned it? Let us find out together. Our story is about a brave young man named Jason. He lived in a beautiful land called Greece. Jason was the true king of his city. But his wicked uncle had taken the throne away from his father. Jason wanted to be the king and make things right again. The wicked uncle told Jason he could be king. But Jason had to complete a very dangerous task first. He had to travel far away and bring back the magical golden fleece. The uncle secretly hoped Jason would never return. He thought the journey was too dangerous for anyone. Jason was not afraid of the danger. He decided to build a massive wooden ship. He named his beautiful ship the Argo. Then he called all the bravest heroes in the land to join him. These brave men became known as the Argonauts because they sailed on the Argo. The Argonauts sailed across the deep blue sea. They faced many terrible storms and giant crashing waves. They rowed their ship with great strength and courage. The journey was long and very difficult, but Jason and his friends never gave up their hope of finding the golden fleece. Finally, they arrived at a strange and distant land. This place was called Colchis. The golden fleece was kept here by a very cruel king. The king did not want to give the magic fleece to Jason. He decided to trick the young hero with impossible new challenges. The cruel king told Jason he must complete 3 tasks. First, he had to tame 2 giant wild bulls. These dangerous bulls breathed hot fire from their mouths. They had hooves made of solid brass. Anyone who tried to ride them would be burned by their terrible hot breath. Next, Jason had to use the bulls to plow a massive field. After plowing the dirt, he had to plant strange seeds. These seeds were actually the teeth of a giant dragon. The king knew these tasks were impossible for a normal man. He laughed at the young hero. The king had a beautiful daughter named Medea. She was a very powerful witch who knew many magic spells. When Medea saw Jason, she instantly fell in love with his bravery. She decided she must help him survive the terrible tasks. She could not let her father destroy him. Medea secretly went to meet Jason in the dark night. She gave him a special magic potion. She told him to rub the potion all over his body and his weapons. This magic would protect him from the hot fire. It would make him stronger than any normal man. The next morning, Jason walked into the dusty field. The giant bulls charged at him with roaring flames. The crowd gasped in fear for the brave hero. But the magic potion protected Jason completely. The hot fire did not burn his skin or his clothes at all today. Jason grabbed the heavy brass horns of the fierce bulls. He used his new magic strength to push them down. He placed a heavy wooden yoke upon their thick necks. The wild beasts were finally tamed. Jason used them to plow the entire field just as the king demanded. Then Jason took the sharp dragon teeth from his pouch. He walked across the freshly plowed dirt and planted them. Suddenly the ground began to shake and rumble loudly. Fully armed warriors began to grow out of the dirt. They carried sharp swords and heavy shields in their hands. These dirt warriors were angry and ready to attack Jason. But Medea had told Jason exactly what to do next. He picked up a large round rock from the ground. He threw the heavy rock right into the middle of the angry warriors. This trick worked perfectly for him. The dirt warriors did not know who threw the rock. They blamed each other and started fighting among themselves. They swung their sharp swords and crashed their heavy shields together. Soon all the warriors had defeated each other. Jason stood alone in the quiet field as the clear winner. The cruel king was very angry that Jason had survived. He realized someone had used powerful magic to help him. The king refused to give Jason the golden fleece. He planned to attack the Argo and destroy the brave Argonauts in the middle of the dark and quiet night. Medea warned Jason about her wicked father and his plan. She told him they must steal the golden fleece immediately. She led Jason to the dark forest where the fleece was hidden. A giant scary dragon with sharp teeth guarded the treasure. This dragon never closed its yellow eyes. The giant dragon hissed loudly when it saw the heroes. It opened its massive jaws to bite the brave Jason. But Medea stepped forward and began to sing a soft song. Her sweet magic voice floated through the cool night air. The magic song made the angry dragon feel sleepy. Medea sprinkled a special sleeping potion on the dragon's eyes. The giant beast slowly closed its eyes and fell asleep. It began to snore loudly in the dark forest. Jason quickly climbed the tall oak tree. He reached out and grabbed the beautiful glowing golden fleece from the branch. The golden fleece shone brightly like the warm morning sun. Jason and Medea ran back to the wooden ship quickly. The brave Argonauts were waiting for them by the water. They raised the large white sails and rowed away fast. They escaped from the cruel king and his soldiers. Medea left her home and her family to follow Jason. She had betrayed her own father to save the hero. Jason promised to love her and protect her forever. He said they would rule his kingdom together as king and queen. Medea believed his sweet words and felt happy. The journey back to Greece was very long and dangerous. The Argo sailed past tall rocky cliffs and deep whirlpools. They faced angry monsters and loud singing sirens. But the brave Argonauts worked together to survive every danger. Jason always kept the glowing golden fleece safe on the ship. Finally, the brave heroes returned to their beautiful home city. The people cheered loudly when they saw the golden fleece. Jason showed the glowing treasure to his wicked uncle. He demanded that his uncle give him the royal throne immediately. Jason had completed the impossible task just as promised. But the wicked uncle broke his promise to the hero. He refused to give up his power and his crown. He wanted to keep ruling the city all by himself. Jason was very sad and angry about this terrible trick. He did not know how to become the king. Medea decided to use her powerful magic once again today. She tricked the daughters of the wicked uncle with lies. She told them a magic spell could make their father young. The foolish daughters believed the clever witch and followed her instructions. This caused the wicked uncle to vanish. The people of the city were very angry at Medea. They were afraid of her dark magic and her tricks. They chased Jason and Medea away from their beautiful home. The heroes had to run away to a new city called Corinth. They lived there quietly for many years. Jason and Medea had 2 lovely children in their home. But Jason began to change his mind about his wife. He wanted to be a powerful king more than anything else. He forgot about his promise to love Medea forever. He looked for a new way to gain royal power. The king of Corinth had a beautiful young princess daughter. Jason decided he wanted to marry this pretty young princess. He thought this marriage would make him a wealthy royal prince. He told Medea she had to leave the house immediately. He completely broke her heart with his cruel words. Medea could not believe Jason would betray her like this. She had given up her family and her home for him. She had used her magic to save his life many times. Now he was throwing her away for a younger royal bride. Medea felt a deep and terrible sadness. The deep sadness inside Medea quickly turned into burning anger. She decided she must punish Jason for his terrible betrayal. She used her powerful magic to create a beautiful golden dress. She sent this poisoned dress to the young princess as a gift. The princess put the dress on happily. The magic dress burst into hot flames upon the princess. The poor princess and her royal father were both destroyed. Medea knew she could never stay in the city now. She had done a very terrible thing in her great anger. She called upon a magical chariot from the sky. The magical chariot was pulled by large flying dragons. Medea climbed into the chariot and flew away into the clouds. She left Jason all alone in the quiet, dusty street. Jason had lost his new bride and his old wife. He had nothing left but his deep, bitter sorrow. Jason lived for many more years as a lonely man. He never became the powerful king he wanted to be. He walked around the empty beaches and remembered his past glory. He often visited his old wooden ship, the Argo. The ship was rotting away on the sandy, quiet beach. One day, Jason sat under the old wooden ship resting. He thought about the golden fleece and his brave friends. He thought about Medea and how he had betrayed her love. Suddenly, a heavy wooden beam fell from the old ship. It struck the lonely hero and ended his story. This ancient story teaches us many important lessons about life. The tale of Jason shows us that bravery is very important, but it also shows that keeping our promises is even more important. When we make a promise to someone, we must always try our best to keep it true. Jason was a very brave hero who faced terrible monsters. He sailed across the dangerous ocean and found the treasure. But his bravery was not enough to make him a good person. He became greedy and wanted too much power for himself. Greed can make people do very bad things. Medea was a powerful witch who loved Jason very much. She helped him when no one else would help him. She gave up everything she had to make him successful. But when Jason betrayed her, she let anger control her heart. Her deep anger caused terrible pain for many people. We must learn to control our anger when we feel hurt. Doing bad things to others will not heal our broken hearts. It will only create more sadness in the beautiful world around us. Forgiveness is a much better path to find peace and happiness in our daily lives today. The Golden Fleece is a symbol of great wealth and power. Many people think that having wealth will make them happy. But Jason had the Golden Fleece and he ended up alone. True happiness comes from loving our family and being kind friends. Things cannot replace the people we love. Let us practice some English words from our exciting story. The word bravery means having the courage to face danger. Jason showed bravery when he fought the fire-breathing bulls. Can you think of a time when you showed bravery? Being brave means trying even when you feel very scared. Another important word from our story today is the word betrayal. Betrayal means breaking the trust of someone who loves you. Jason committed a betrayal when he left Medea for the princess. Trust is like a fragile glass cup. Once it is broken, it is very hard to fix again. We also learned the word potion in our magic story. A potion is a special liquid mixture with magical powers. Medea gave Jason a potion to protect him from the fire. In real life, we do not have magic potions, but medicine can act like a helpful potion for us. The word chariot means a special cart pulled by animals. Medea flew away in a magic chariot pulled by flying dragons. In ancient times, people used wooden chariots to travel fast. Today we use cars and airplanes instead of chariots. Technology has changed how we travel across the big world. Let us think about the choices the characters made today. If Jason had kept his promise, his life would be happy. He would have lived quietly with Medea and his loving children. Our choices shape the future we will live in tomorrow. We must always choose to be honest people. If Medea had walked away instead of seeking angry revenge, she might have found a new life filled with peace. Anger is a heavy burden to carry in your heart every day. Letting go of anger makes your spirit feel light and free. We should always try to choose peaceful actions. The story of Jason and Medea is a famous Greek myth. Myths are old stories that explain the world and human nature. People have told these stories for thousands of years to teach lessons. Even though the magic is not real, the lessons are very true. We can learn from them. When you read a fairy tale or an old myth, look closely at how the characters treat each other every day. Ask yourself if they are being kind or being selfish. You can learn how to be a better friend by watching them. Reading stories makes our minds grow very strong. Thank you for joining us on this amazing English journey. We hope you enjoyed the thrilling story of the Golden Fleece. We hope you learned some new English words to use today. Practice speaking these words with your family and your friends. Learning English can be a very fun adventure. If you liked this ancient story, please like this video. Subscribe to Fairy Tales English Journey for more magical tales. We have many more exciting stories to share with you soon. Leave a comment below and tell us your favorite part today. We love reading all of your wonderful comments. Remember to always be brave and keep your important promises. Treat others with kindness and never let anger control your heart. Until next time, keep reading and keep learning new things every day. Goodbye from Fairy Tales English Journey and see you soon. Have a wonderful and magical day, my friends.